Hello, good night. Sometimes, have you ever listened to the cry of women out there? A lot of women out there are going through hell and high water because these hurt men going around and hurting women. When the man go around and hurting a woman, they didn't do anything and they don't see anything wrong with their actions. It's sad. A lot of beautiful women out there. They're just looking for somebody just to love them, to accept them the way they are. But these men, I don't know what they're looking for. And when a man treat a woman like she's a nobody, which mother you come from? Huh? Men need to understand that when women say they are hurting, there is something that is cutting deep inside the fiber of that woman's skin. What in the word I'm hurting you don't understand? Men, somehow no need to do better than that. You can't go around hurting women. Women have feelings. Blood run through their veins just like yours. At the same time, you want the woman to wash, cook, and clean. And at the same time, you see that woman as a slave and as a helper to you. Because you have no mercy on that woman. That woman can't be sick no time at all. Because if that woman is sick, you feel say the woman a farm sick. We are human beings. We have feelings. Not every man value women. I don't know how them see them mother in this life. Because if you're a man and you can't value a woman, something wrong with you. You're seen through a different lens. I saw a young lady today, and I was running my joke with her. I said, when you're getting married, I want to come and eat cake. You heard what she said? She's still single and still searching. Because these men nowadays, they're narcissists. Some of them, I don't know where you can search to find a good one. Narcissists. When them are not narcissists, them are user, them want woman to work, then hard, earn cash and come take out their money and give them like this. Like them when they got a bank. My philosophy is, I came and I saw my mother. I saw my father taking care of my mother, providing food, money, care for my mother. So men, a man's job is to care for a wife, care for a woman. Man, woman, nothing mind no man. A man mind woman. And that now come out of my head because of the example that I see. My father, when he came with the envelope, me know say no for no man. And me not tell him no to do it. Say, a lot of uno no love give woman money, but woman forget things. Because if you no have no woman, and you not spend for no woman, she'll look for your greener pastures out there. And some of uno man, that's why some of uno man, woman go astray. Because uno no provide for a woman. So a woman see somebody out there who can provide for her. So a cheating come in. And then uno start to cry. Oh, woman cheat and woman this. I'm not supporting cheating. But if you take care of your own, nobody else would not take care of it for you. You have to pay attention. Dog when I near my yard, near my road. And I'm just using that simple metaphor to say, if you're a man and you're not providing for your wife, and your wife have needs and necessity, she's going to see somebody who can give her the things that you're not giving her. Because some of no man will take money go give a woman out the road, and you know go no woman will down the yard where I wash, cook and clean for no. And some of no man will lie. Every woman thief for no money. And you don't have no money for woman thief. Next thing again, men, how would you feel when you hurt somebody? You don't have no feelings? You don't feel say them have skin, flesh and bone? You don't feel say things, words hurt? Words are like egg. See them like how egg mash? It cut you. The eggshell will cut you. Just like the analogy that I was going to use. I don't want to get copyright for it, so I'm trying to detour from that. So I'm saying, a lot of women have some sad story. Very sad story. Because men, not all men, but you see when you book up on the narcissist them, a lot of narcissists is coming out of Jamaica. Narcissists coming out of Jamaica. I didn't know what narcissist is until I came to this country. I've seen it all. Sometimes, you not going to miss the water till the well run dry. And when a woman turn her head, she's not going back. Going forward, not going back. A woman always love her peace. When a woman can get her peace, it's just like giving her $1 million. Her peace is very important. And if a woman is in a relationship and she cannot have her peace, men, what make you not think say everything is all about you? What is there for the woman? If you are a man and you're not providing for your woman, when was the last time you buy your woman a dress? When was the last time you say go do your hair or your nails? When was the last time you buy a gift for anniversary, for birthday? When was the last time you did that? If you're not doing that as a man, look here, you're the cheerleader. You're supposed to cheer your woman on. See him like how you cheer her on to get her in the relationship. Cheer her on to get her stay with you. Because everybody has inner beauty. It just need to polish. And if a woman start to polish her inner beauty, other men out there is going to see her. And you're not seeing what is going on inside your. You not see what is going on in front of you. Somebody else is seeing the flowers is blooming and you're not seeing the flowers is blooming. Women love peace and happiness and quietness. A lot of women are stressed and depressed. This will cause heart to fail. Heart failure. Because when a woman is stressed, it depletes and work on the brain. Men, you don't need to do better than that. If you don't want the woman, make the woman stay where she stay and you stay where you stay. Some man feel say women are furniture. Even furniture get dusting. When you're living like sibling in a relationship, brother and sister business, them they not work in a relationship. Because if a woman want a brother or a sister, she have siblings. But when you are in a relationship, Both of you have to work together. I'm not going to say every woman is right, and the man is wrong. I'm the type of person, if a woman is not treating her man right, I will say, you have to treat him man right. Because it's one heart. You have to love the man. And what you expect for yourself, you expect it for the other person too. Well, I'm not going to make this video any longer. So I'll come back with a part 2.